His Excellency Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, President of Zimbabwe and current chairperson of the SADC, and President Duma Boko of the Republic of Botswana will visit the SADC Secretariat headquarters in Gaborone on 13 December 2024. Sanapinda mashoko anodanyigwa panapa vanhu vari kubvunza vachiti aiwa takapinda nyika yezimbabwe vaED Mnangagwa vari kutsvakai kubotswana. Sanapinda mashoko anodanyigwa panapa vibva subscribe like on the bell like timira panapa pahandle yezimbabwe danyora chiti President Mnangagwa became the chairperson of the SADC on 17th of August 2024 during the 44th SADC Summit of Heads of States and Governments, and that was held in Harare. Chairpersons of SADC visited the SADC Secretariat headquarters during their tenure to appreciate the work done by the Secretariat in facilitating SADC regional integration agenda and to provide guidance on the Secretariat's implementation of SADC programs. The SADC chairperson will be appraised on the status of implementation of SADC programs decisions at the 44th SADC Summit theme, promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. During the visit, the SADC Secretariat, the SADC chairperson, together with the President Duma Boko of the Republic of Botswana, will receive the SADC headquarters building from Bongwe Investments Proprietary Limited on behalf of the SADC heads of state and governance. Mashoko atona anobuda achinogwana kukomana weZimbabwe achiti aiwa tikanga nyika yeZimbabwe the SADC chairperson aiwa anomboita achidzokera kuheadquarters yeSADC achiappreciate the work done by the Secretariat in facilitating the SADC regional integration agenda pamwe chete nekupromota the theme this year. Mashoko anongwa kuti aiwa yes they are going to appreciate the work but tikatarisa basa racho rikuitwa nevakomana the SADC block aiwa ari muri makunun'unu muudza mumwoyo tichiona kuti aiwa mumamember states Namibia, Mozambique pamwe chete neBotswana yacho vakomana people they are not happy with this SADC chairperson. Tichiona kuti they know kuti vakomana ava vari kunzeresa the unrest aiwa muSouthern Africa. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kunye pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section yedu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell.